Morfuns, a manufacturer of electric bikes, recently upgraded its Eole X model by adding suspension and equipping it for an even more comfortable, utility-focused ride. The brand's e-bike development has advanced most recently with the new Eole X model. The Eole X and Eole X Pro are the two models of the new e-bike that are offered. While the Eole X Pro features a suspension fork up front for a full suspension setup, the Eole X only gets rear suspension, which takes the form of a short travel elastomer shock absorber. Morfuns Eole X folding electric bike has been launched via an Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign. The Morfuns Eole X has a range of 115 kilometers and can reach speeds of 25 km per hour. The pedelec is powered by a 350-watt motor. It weighs about 19 kilograms and can be folded within 10 seconds. The first shipments of the Eole X are expected by September, and it can be reserved for around $1,350. The Morfuns Eole X supports an extra battery that adds up to 55 kilometers to its range. It also has a power button that allows the rider to disable power at any time. The pedelec's 36-volt 10 Ah LG battery can be fully charged within a decent 5 hours. The Eole X has 20-inch tires and a rear rubber suspension which offers a comfortable ride. The dimensions of the Eole X are 151 by 58 by 105 centimeters, and it can be easily carried when folded. It has a LED TFT display that provides ride information and other notifications to the rider. Its headlights are automatically triggered when in low-light situations. The Morfuns Eole X folding e-bike is well primed for comfortable rides on dirt roads, light rails, and normal roads. Its assisted power, together with the optional additional battery, offers a range of 170 kilometers. The compact and foldable nature of the Eole X also makes it a great companion for quick urban trips in heavy traffic areas. It is not clear what angular power is offered in the Eole X in climbing steep routes. The Indiegogo campaign for the Eole X will close on July 16th. The options on offer are the Eole X and Eole X Pro. Several limited offers are available for the models, and delivery is between September and October 2022. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.